Alright, for this problem we have x to the power of 6 plus x squared equals 2. So pause video now to solve this on your own. So my first step is setting this equal to 0. So we have x to the power of 6 plus x squared minus 2 equals 0. So now we see we have the exponents 6 and 2, and they are both multiples of 2. So let's set a new variable, m equal to x squared. So now we have m cubed plus m minus 2 equals 0. So we can see m equals 1 is a factor of this, since 1 cubed plus 1 is equal to 2, and subtract 2, that's 0. So we know m minus 1 is a factor, so we can use long division to find the other factor. So we have m minus 1 is the divisor, and our dividend is m cubed plus 0, 0, m squared, plus m minus 2. So now, to get to m cubed, we have to multiply m by m squared, so we subtract m cubed, and we have negative m squared. Subtract that, we add m squared. So these cancel. So we have m squared plus m, and now we multiply by m to get m squared, so we subtract m squared. So we're subtracting negative m, so we add m. So these cancel, and we're left with 2m minus 2. And now to get 2m, we multiply by 2. So now we're subtracting 2m, and we have negative 2. We're subtracting that. We add 2. And we see these cancel, and these cancel. So this is, in fact, a factor, and m squared plus m plus 2 is our other factor. So we can write this as m minus 1 times m squared plus m plus 2 equals 0. So we know m minus 1 is equal to 0. So x squared minus 1 equals 0, and this is a difference of squares. So we have x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x equals 1, and x is equal to negative 1. These are two solutions. So now we'll set m squared plus m plus 2 equals 0. So we'll complete the square here. So m squared plus m equals negative 2. M plus 1/2 squared equals negative 8 over 4 plus 1/4. So m plus 1/2 squared is equal to negative 7 over 4. So now we see m plus 1/2 is equal to plus or minus I root 7 over 2. So now we see m is equal to negative 1 plus or minus I root 7 over 2. So now we'll consider two possibilities. Either m is equal to negative 1 plus I root 7 over 2, or it's equal to negative 1 minus I root 7 over 2. So we have x squared equals negative 1 plus I root 7 over 2. So x equals plus or minus the square root of negative 1 plus I root 7 over 2. So now what I'll do is I'll multiply by 2 on the for the numerator and denominator of the fraction to rationalize the denominator. So we have plus or minus negative 2 plus 2I root 7 over 4. So finally we have plus or minus negative 2 plus 2I root 7 over 2. So now, considering this one, we have x squared equals negative 1 minus I root 7 over 2. So we have x equals plus or minus negative 1 minus I root 7 over 2. Multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator, and we're left with plus or minus negative 2 minus 2I root 7 over 2. So these are our other 4 imaginary solutions. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and goodbye.